up, guys? This is Michael with Michael Talks Metal, back for another session on some Inconel. Before we jump in, though, how about if the other 95% of you guys that are not subscribed, I checked, only 5% are subscribed. How about you guys just do a little boop, click that little button, help me out, subscribe. It'd be a big help, or maybe if you like the video, a little thumbs up. Very much appreciate it. It would help the channel, so thank you. Today we are going to be taking a look at one of the more popular precipitation hardening nickel alloys, known as Inconel X-750, but only when produced by, you got it, Special Metals. If anyone else produces it, it's Alloy X-750. The UNS chemical composition designation is N07750. With a combination of high strength, corrosion, and oxidation resistance, it has applications from minus 423 degrees Fahrenheit to 1300 degrees Fahrenheit. Higher temperature applications result in overaging, but have useful strength for limited applications. This alloy is typically strengthened by a multiple-step heat treatment. First, the alloy is solution treated, followed by a stabilizing treatment, and then a precipitation heat treatment. Depending on the application and properties required, the heat treatments vary in temperatures, holding times, and cooling methods. Applications in aerospace include rocket engine thrust chambers and jet engine and gas turbine rotors. At cryogenic temperatures, it is used in a variety of components. X750 is approved for NACE oil field applications with appropriate heat treatment. Curie temperature is below minus 100 degrees Fahrenheit in all conditions for non-magnetic applications. Room temperature permeability in the hot-rolled condition is 1.0020 at 200 Ørsted. Now for the chemical composition of UNS 07750, aka X750. Here we are. All right, so what do we got today? We got nickel plus cobalt, 70% Min. Chromium, 14 to 17%. Iron, 5 to 9%. Niobium plus tantalum, 0.70 to 1.20%. Aluminum, 0.40 to 1%. Titanium, 2.25 to 2.75%. Carbon, 0.08 max. Manganese, 1% max. Sulfur, 0.01% max. Silicon, 0.5% max. Almost done. Copper, 0.5% max. And lastly, cobalt with a 1% max. And so, there we go. Now, room temperature mechanical properties depend on product and heat treatment. Typical range for a precipitation hardened condition is a yield strength of 100,000 to 115,000 psi. Tensile strength 155,000 to 170,000 psi, with an elongation of 15%. Density is 0.299 pounds per cubic inch. And so, if we do the specifications like we have for the last couple weeks, here we are. What do we got today? Bars and forgings, AMS 5667, 5668. AMS 5669 and AMS 5670, but let's not forget the last two, AMS 5671 and AMS 5747. And lastly, our sheet and plate. Two of those, AMS 5542 and AMS 5598. So, there we go. Now, each specification has requirements that can add to or restrict the chemical composition beyond what we have shown you here today. Premium vacuum melting or multiple melting cycles are often required in X750 specifications. Heat treatment and other processing and testing requirements also exist within the individual specifications. So to be sure that all your requirements have been satisfied and identified and met, I will remind you for the 39th time, it's our 39th video, to what? Check the specs. So this is Michael. Michael Talks Metal. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Thank you so much. And if you have made it and you are of the 95% that is yet to subscribe, hit that little button, please. Thank you so much. If you've missed any of our previous videos, whoop, there they are right there. Thank you so much for watching. This is Michael with Michael Talks Metal. I will see you guys next Thursday. Appreciate you watching.